Hi everyone, I am back for another episode, and you know, I'm always thinking, what's the next thing I'm gonna show you guys, right? It's really hard to come up with so many new episodes, just so many different concepts, but I am working really hard every day to come up with new ideas for you for these videos. In this video, I picked out a collection of blue and white vases that I have in my studio, and I think it's such a neutral color. It can be used for home interiors, it can be used for birthday parties, it can be used for bridal showers, baby showers, and so forth, right? And just even for entertaining, you don't even have to use it for anything else. You can use this for an entrance piece as well. You can use it for a centerpiece. And what I'm gonna do today is take some botanically faux correct silk flowers and make a whole collage of different shades of blues and going into the periwinkle blue and like a turquoisey sky blue to a purple. And I'm gonna take my hydrangeas first, and I don't wanna ruin the stems. I wanna cut the stems because I can always use it for other things. So right now, I'm going to fold them up and insert them into the vase like so. And some of it, I don't need to do too much. And I'm doing the 1-2 combo. Look at how it's already doing its thing. It's already looking incredibly beautiful. Oops. And I can't wait until you see what I'm going to do. Some of this I'm gonna have to cut. I was trying to avoid it, but it's fine. Look how gorgeous this is. I've got more to go. I mean, and this in itself can look amazing without doing too much, but I'm gonna take it to the next level, right? Which, that's what people wanna see from me at least. And there's all these little pieces, which are mini hydrangeas. I'm gonna tuck them in this vase. Move this over a little bit. Got one right here. We're gonna finish that off. Perfect. So now, I'm gonna come on the other side and I'm gonna take the blooms and I'm gonna do the purple ones. And this I'm gonna cut. And I'm doing very loose, and I'm not trying to focus on one thing or another. I'm just trying to make it look really pretty by bending and giving it a little bit more life so it's not as stiff. And again, you can do this for so many different occasions. And, you know, I was thinking about how to do this, and last night I was thinking of doing, this not in blues, but doing it in other colors. I mean, there is no color that we can use that doesn't work with the blue and white, and you can do different shades of yellows. It can work in here. You know, I've done lemon theme. You can do citrus with, you know, different oranges and blues. It can work. It's amazing. Using a lot of hot colors, you know, like your fuchsias with blues works well too. So you can't go wrong with this, right? The blue and white is kind of almost like a staple, like black and white in clothing. And I think, I mean, between my team and even I come up with some crazy ass stuff that they're like, I can't believe you thought of that. But it's fun because I get to, you know, I get to see in their eyes the magic that I'm able to create. And when I see that power that I have and their eyes are lit and they're like, you can do that? Oh my God. It's so cute. It's so adorable, right? Anyways. If you just go around and look at how stunning this is coming out, I don't think I need to add anything and it still can look really fantastic. But I'm gonna take it to another crazy level. You know, the great thing about this is too, like you can even take these botanically correct faux flowers and do beautiful arrangements. And you know what you can do is you can actually put fresh water in these vases and you can actually do some fresh blooms in here. You really honestly can. And nothing is gonna stop you. And this way you don't have to spend a lot of money on buying fresh new blooms. Oh, I didn't put here. Then I'm going in with these shades of blues in here. Just a couple of stems. Tuck it in right. But look how, like all these little details, they're playful, they're fun, they're artistically represented. It's whimsy, it's playful, all of it. And I love that I can bring in a little magic to all of you. And look at this. Look at what's gonna happen. Look, just this one insertion is making like yumminess come to life. I mean, I love it. Especially if it's silk. Because once you've cut them, you're not gonna be able to reuse them. I'm gonna cut this last one. And I'm gonna come in the front, fix it, and then I'm gonna come back again. Because I think it needs it here. What happened to this little poor guy right here? I think I need another purple. Do you want to go grab me a couple? What's in the back? Let me clean up the table while she's getting me my botanically correct silks. But look how great this looks. And I'm not even going to clean the table. I'm just gonna leave it like this and push that out. Here, give me that. That is so beautiful. Perfect. Thank you so much. Here, let me add these two. And this one right here. Anyways, guys, I am done with this tablescape. or whatever you want to call it. It's just an inspiration for your home decor as well. It's the blue and white vases, and then I layered it with all these shades of blues, a little bit of the purples, a little bit of the teal sky blue in there. And this came out fantastic. It's so bold, it's so beautiful. And again, thank you so much for tuning in and finding another inspiration. If you have not subscribed, please do so, and follow me on social media and repost, share, make a comment, give me suggestions on new videos. I'm here to listen to all of you. I am blessed, and peace out.